thank you for your video and going over all of the structures. I think somehow you got the easy one. So for this model, you were correct. This is the lateral horn, the lateral ventricle. This is the intervertebral foramen right here, or this is the intervertebral foramen going down to the third ventricle, and then this is the interthalamic adhesion, or where the interthalamic adhesion should be. So that was the only thing you did wrong, or was confusing from the way you had it. So then you have the cerebral aqueduct and the fourth ventricle. I'm guessing you decided not to try to take that model apart because it's really hard to put back together. I agree with the sympathetic ganglia on that model right here. It's right there, and I cannot for the life of me get a great picture. I could have this where the spine's clear, but not where the ganglia is right there. So it's on there. I actually like asking it on a different model. I like asking the sympathetic ganglia on these models because it's more clear on these. And then I missed it in lab. We have a brand new torso model that actually has the sympathetic ganglia on that as well. Everything else is correct except for the gray commiserate. This is the posterior horn. This right here is the gray commiserate. It's a track that connects the right side with the left side. And then the white commiserate is allegedly right here on this model. So commiserate tracks go left and right. It is on your test coming up. So just that's the gray commiserate and this spinal canal is in the center. Thank you for your submission, guys. Have a good day.